Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing you to a really short unboxing. The video just cuts there, no. Today's video is just going to be a piece from Palace, a piece from Supreme. I was waiting on my other piece from Supreme, but the shipping got updated and changed and I don't really know what's going on with it, but it'll probably arrive in like 2 or 3 days time and I'll be like, great, I could have opened this for that, but I can always save it for the Supreme sale. But regardless, let's just get into this video. I'm blabbering, so yeah, let's just get into it. If you'd like to, you can let me know down below if you've picked up any of these sorts of pieces recently and whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling them. But yeah, I don't know if there's any resale to any of these, but we'll see, or we won't. I'm not going to bother checking, but yeah, you might see, I guess. Okay, so obviously 2 pieces, as you can see. Top is Supreme, bottom is Palace. Might as well go bottom to top instead because this is going to be more irritating for me to open. So yeah, so Palace, plain and simple, nothing special about it. The second iteration of the Crocs that they've released. When I get them out, I'll just put a picture up of the first colorway instead of like bringing the first colorway down because it's not going to be the best comparison. I feel like a picture is just going to be easier for me to demonstrate. Oh, that worked, I guess. Here they are. That's it. I've got a bit of a different sticker this time on the bag too, just if you want to see. It's a bit different to the prior one. I don't know why that'd be, but let's just crack them out anyway. So yeah, I mean, that's it. There they are. That's it's as exciting as this gets, basically. Yeah, there's nothing special to it. It's just the same as before with the trifog there and all of the little bits that are obviously stickers from the season, like the prior season, I believe, in the end. I'm holding that way too high, but yeah, as you can see there, they all are. So yeah, those are the Crocs done in the end. I will agree that the other colourway is a lot more aesthetically pleasing than this colourway. Yeah, I just think the lighter tone just looks a bit better than that tone, so yeah. And for the last piece, which I was going to compare to my other one, we have the Crow piece, obviously, the smaller one, the 100%, not the 1000%. I should probably bought the 1000%, but yeah, okay. I finally got to the actual box after peeling basically everything off and breaking bits and pieces of it. We're finally to the box itself. Okay, so a box logo sticker. Doing a bit of a like that basically, and then we have the piece itself, the Kubrick. Bit of a flimsy way for it to be held together with tape because it's clearly peeling off, but there it is in short. Yeah, and then this is just the back of it with all the details. Now on the Kermit one, which I will have had here, but I've currently stored it so safely that I don't know where it is. On that one, the back layout is a little bit different compared to this. The stickers on the right side, the sticker's also a bit smaller, and it's got a bit of a different like back graphic to it, and there are a couple of different things that are just overall like layout wise different. I think that the feet are also different. They look like it because on the Kermit feet, they were made so that Kermit could go on to the Molodkin, is it? I can't remember, but he could go onto a little skateboard that you could get with one of the first issues, I believe, or that you could get in general, so that he could then go on the skateboard and go around on that. But yeah, this is just a little bit different for the feet wise, but anyway, regardless, that is going to cover this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. That's about as easy as it gets, or as short as it gets for an unboxing. Like I said, let me know if you picked up any of these pieces. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah. So there isn't much to say. I will have a video out either tomorrow or Tuesday, just on a different sort of thing entirely. I'm going to try and just upload every like 2 days or so, just to keep that up in the end. So yeah, anyway, that's going to cover it for me. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.